The energy and environmental requirements of the current regulations require buildings with greater air tightness. Faced with this situation, innovative, economical and efficient ventilation systems are sought to protect homes from humidity and provide greater comfort to users. At S&P, we have achieved a solution that meets these needs. ALTAIR, a highly efficient, economical and ultra-compact air handling unit. Its size allows a simple installation into a wall recess or false ceiling. ALTAIR extracts contaminated air from the house via the kitchen and bathrooms and introduces clean and filtered air from the outside into the living room and bedrooms. Thanks to its high-efficiency recuperator, we transfer more than 80% of the heat of the extracted air to the impulsion air. An acoustic warning notifies the user of the need for filter change. The air distribution system is hidden behind a false ceiling, adapting to small spaces. The discharge grills distribute the air, taking advantage of the Coanda effect. In this way, the supply air has a greater reach and distribution. ALTAIR allows us to ensure the removal of humidity and odors generated in kitchen and bathrooms, avoiding distribution of these pollutants through the house. In this way, we ensure a high level of comfort and the distribution of high-quality air in all rooms. ALTAIR, the innovative solution for housing.